Only 5 remedies to cure earache pain in kids. In many cases, ear pain in kids can be a sign of a bacterial infection. But it can also be due to congestion, a change in air pressure, cavities, sinus infections, earwax and tonsillitis. Apart from tugging at the ear, other signs that your child may have ear pain include fussiness, crying, trouble sleeping, a mild fever and fluid drain from the ear. If your child has ear pain, there are some simple and effective home remedies that can provide quick relief. Caution: the problem can be serious if your child is showing symptoms like clumsiness, problems with balance, trouble hearing or responding to quiet sounds, a fever or facial swelling. In which case, see your doctor immediately. Here are natural top 5 natural remedies to cure earache in your children. 1. Garlic and sesame oil. Garlic and sesame oil is an effective home remedy to quickly deal with earaches in kids. Garlic has analgesic and antibiotic properties, and can help to reduce earaches caused by an ear infection. Similarly, it is linoleic acid that gives both antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties for sesame oil. It is rich in antioxidants, hence, can easily absorb into the skin, nourish it from deep inside and promote skin softness. Take 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Heat minced garlic in sesame oil, cool and filter the oil. Put 2 or 3 drops of this garlic oil in the affected ear. You can use the homemade ear drops 2 or 3 times a day. 2. Olive oil. If there is no fluid draining from your child's ear and no sign of a ruptured eardrum, olive oil is a good remedy. All the oil serves as a lubricant and helps get rid of an infection in the ear. Warm a little olive oil to a lukewarm temperature. Tip your child's head to the side and, with a dropper, put 3 to 5 drops in the affected ear. Put a cotton ball in the ear to prevent the oil from leaking out. Do this 1 or 2 times a day. 3. Breast milk. Breast milk has natural antibodies that can help speed up the healing process of any kind of ear infection. A 2016 study published in Pediatrics found that the rates of ear infections during a baby's first year declined due to breastfeeding. Also, the use of vaccinations and lower smoking rates are major contributors. This study clearly indicates that breastfeeding is a good option to protect your baby from earaches. In addition to breastfeeding, you can put a few drops of breast milk into the affected ear using a drop hoe to reduce pain. Repeat every few hours as needed. 4. Warm compress. The heat will reduce pain and even prevent microorganisms from multiplying. Dip a clean washcloth in lukewarm water, wring out the excess water and place the pain for 5 minutes. Wait, and then repeat the process as needed. 5. Sleeping position. Your child's sleeping position can either aggravate or reduce ear pain. Lying down flat can sometimes worsen the feeling of pressure and pain in the infected ear. Hence, it is recommended to consider changing the sleeping position and opt for an elevating position. For older children, put an additional pillow under the head and encourage them to sleep on the unaffected side. Sleeping on the affected side will aggravate pain from ear infections. For young infants, elevate the crib at the head by placing a pillow or 2 under the mattress. Additional tips: give your child an over-the-counter pain reliever, such as ibuprofen, to ease earaches. However, consult your doctor first. Avoid overuse of antibiotics, as it may often lead to antibiotic-resistant infections. You can also try acupressure to deal with ear pain. After your child's shower or bath, use a blow dryer at a low setting to dry the ears to prevent water from settling in the ears. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe it for latest videos.